Hello students, welcome to my class. So today I am going to continue with my same lesson, that is Greek, Roman and American civilizations. So far we have seen about the Greek and Roman civilizations. Today I am going to start with the American civilization. So first let me give the introduction. Maya, Aztec and Inca are the ancient Colombian civilizations of America. So in the American civilization, we are going to see about three civilizations, that is Maya, Aztec and Inca. So they are the ancient means what? Very old Colombian civilizations of America. So they represent the culture of the Indians, that is an Aborigines of America. That is, the countries of Middle Europe discovered new continents in their attempts to find out the new sea routes to India. So when they wanted to find out new sea routes to reach India, so they have to travel on the water. So like that, when that time they found the continents. Continents are nothing but they are called as land masses. So like that they found out these places. America and Australia thus discovered were misunderstood as India and their inhabitants. Inhabitants means what? Live. So when they discovered that America and Australia, they thought that it is a misunderstanding. They understood that it is India. So they thought when they are traveling on water, when they want to come to India, they found the new places and all. So new land masses. So when coming to India, they found some of the land masses, those are called as a continent. They thought it is an India, but actually it is not an India. Misunderstanding, they thought that it is an India. When they found that new distinct places and all, so the people started going and living there. So inhabitants means what? Living were called as Indians. So the people, when they found out the new places, and the people started going and living those in the new places, so it is called as they were called as Indians. In the later history, the familiar countries came to be known as an old world, and the newly discovered countries as an new world. So already some of the places were familiar to the people, so that places are called as an old world. So when the people started discover new places, it is called as an new world. So the ancient Colombian civilization of America are distinct. Distinct means what? They visible, they can see, and special like the civilizations of the old world, like the Egyptians, the Mesopotamians, and the Chinese civilizations. So we can see the states, kingdoms, and amazing monuments, cities, art, and metals used. The people started using of the metals and all, and the practice of writing in the civilizations of the new world. So the Egyptian, the Mesopotamian, and the Chinese civilization is called as an old. So when we can see the states, kingdoms, amazing monuments and all, cities, art, using of the metals and all, and the practice of writing in the civilization is what? It is a city or a town in the new world. So in the new world, people came to know new things. They started developing new things and all. So in that new things, so they started constructing the states, empire, amazing palaces and all, theaters and all, and we could have seen the philosophers, mathematicians, scientists, historians, so everyone, so poets, literature. So in the new world, these are all things we have seen. So this is a small introduction of the American civilizations. So the American civilization, when the European discovered new continents to find the new sea route, to find the sea route to India. At that time, what happened? They found some of the continents and all. So the continents means what is called as an land masses. So they thought it is an India only. So when the people started living in those places and all, it is called, they are the people living in those places in that land masses. Those were called as Indians. So actually they didn't reach to India to see. So starting when they found the places, those they were called as Indians. So those people are called as aborigines of America. Aborigines means what? They are not Indians, but they were called as Indians. When they found the new continents, they thought it was India. Got it, students? So this is the thing, and they started dividing, that is new world, old world. So old world already it was there. New world means what? When they discovered new places. So those are called as new world. So in the new world, we have seen that states where they, kingdoms where their palaces, amazing theaters, and all people started involving themselves, engage themselves in the art, architecture. Right, we have they found the writings also, script also we have seen in the new world. So this is the thing. In the next class again I am going to continue with my same lesson, students. I hope so you all understanding. Thank you so much.